Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is currently trading at around $18.731 and there is a continuous downfall as you can see in the charts. Particular level we have seen it is moving in a particular range for quite some time. Okay, this is from July of 2022. We have seen the price of silver is moving in this particular zone. Okay, and the zone high is around $21.204. Okay, and a low of around $17.56. So what you have to keep this in mind, that once the range break upside or downside, then there is a probability we can see a quite movement in the price of silver. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, before we move ahead and explain you where the silver can move, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in silver, and a telegram link are given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now what we can see, that the price of silver is continuously coming down. Okay, so there is a high probability that if this level didn't sustain, then we can see the price of silver can go further down and can touch a level of around $17.976, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of $17.5. Again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain this particular level, there are high chances that it can go further down towards a level of $18.322. okay, which is already being a weak support, so probability is again high that we can see it can move further down towards a level of around $18.062. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then there is a high chances that we can see it can move further down towards a level of $17.5, because all these levels, if you look at these, all these levels are being tested here, so probability is high. We can see it can, if it goes below a level of 17.8, that there is a probability of touching $17.5, and once the price, so what, 17.5, we can see a bounce back. Okay, but this particular will act as a resistance, so then it can bounce towards a downside again, so probability is high. After rebouncing from that particular level, it can cross $17.766. You have to keep this in mind. If the price fall below a level of 17.5, then there is a high chances that it can move towards a level of $17.285, and from there we can see a level of $16.680. okay, so once the price fall below that level, then we can see it can move further low. Okay, now the market is uncertain, as you know that CPI data has come, because of which we have seen a lot of volatility in the market, as well as the inflation data. Okay, so what we can see, if the price sustain this particular level, which is that if the price goes above this level, and high probability that it can go further upside towards a level of around, you can say $19.262. okay, because there is high chances that if the price sustain above this level, a resistance of around $19.223 is already being a weak resistance, so probability is high we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $19.44. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around $20.2. keep this in mind. If the price goes above a level of $19.20, then there is, again I repeat, if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $19.076, and from there we can see if that level sustain, we can see it can touch a level of $19.29. okay, and if the price move above that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $20.2. keep this in mind. If the price goes above a level 19.4, then we can see a level of 20.2, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $20.467, and if the price goes above that level, then there is high chances that we can see it can touch a level of $21.27, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $22.4. okay, again I repeat, if you have any doubt, see, again I repeat, so if the price sustain this level, then there is high chances of going towards a level of $19.4, and that level is also weak resistance, so probability is high we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $21.2 if the price sustain above a level of 20.2, because all the resistance are being tested here and the weak resistance, so probability is high if the price goes above a level of $21.2, then it will break this particular range, and a probability of moving further upside is very high. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail IDs in the description. And understand something, if you are trading or investing, you have to be careful. Set a limit for that particular trade as well as for your day, so that you should not wipe out your capital. Most of the most of the trader do lose money because of doing all these mistakes. I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.